Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. Thanks for joining us again tonight. I'd like to give a special shout out to all our new subscribers. We thank you for joining us. We thank you for coming back to see us. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please hit the subscribe button. If you haven't left us a comment, leave us a comment. Tell us the cocktails you want to see. Tell us what you like, what you don't. It's chilly now and we need to change our frame of mind. So we're going to do something a little bit different tonight. We are going to do a Caribbean cocktail. It's a favorite in the Bahamas. So let's get pouring. Tonight's cocktail, the Yellowbird. We're going to take our shaker glass and we are going to start with a ½ ounce of Galliano. Going to follow that up with 1.5 ounces of White Rum. Tonight we are using Bacardi Rum. Our third liquor in there is actually Crème de Banana. So it's a banana flavored liqueur. We're going to put a ½ ounce of that in there. And a ½ ounce of the Crème de Banana. We're using Mr. Boston in there. That's it for the liquors in that one. Next, we are going to use some pineapple juice. We're putting 1 ounce of pineapple juice in there. And as we keep saying, if you want the best, you use the fresh. So, 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Next in there is 2 ounces of orange juice. Freshly squeezed. Fresh is best. You've heard it before. Look at all that yellow goodness. With all that in there, the next step, we're going to put some nice ice in there. And we're going to give it a good shake. We are going to chill this down. You know you got a cold when you see that tin and it gets some condensation on there. And you're going to give it a good wrap. And pull that out of there. We have a fully mixed cocktail. Next, we're going to take our hurricane glass. And we're going to fill that up with ice. Take a Hawthorne strainer on the can, a fine mesh strainer on top, and we pour. And now I'm going to garnish. We're going to use a pineapple wedge with a cherry. And since it's in season, we want to make it really fancy. We're going to give it a couple of pineapple fronds in there. And all that's left is the straw. And that is that Bahama's favorite, the Yellowbird.
Do you remember that boat in Nassau, the Yellowbird?
The Yellowbird. Non-stop Yellowbird.
Non-stop Yellowbirds.
I don't think anybody's ever walked off sober, which is good if you're a drunken sailor. What do you think?
Good.
You like that?
Yeah, I like it.
You got to make these. You're going to feel tropical. You're going to feel wonderful. Thanks for joining us, folks.
Bye. Cheers.
Cheers.